DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
Yes, please, if you are just joining, I want you to share this broadcast, please. I want you to share this broadcast. Very, very, very important. My Edo people, I'm going to speak in Pidgin and in Benin. I won't say my involvement in politics is a stain. I won't say it, because I've actually used my involvement in politics to do a lot for my state. First, before I start, let me quickly can this thing just stay? Let me just hold on. Please, before I start, let me quickly apologize sincerely to Edo people all over the world, sincerely to Togba family all over the world. My sincere apology to you. My sincere apology to you. I apologize. This morning, I got a call. You know, people that don't like me, most of the people that we defeated in the last election, anything that will spoil my name, anything that will spoil my name, they are 100% with it. This morning, I got a call. Somebody's forwarded a message to me, where a WhatsApp message that everybody should be moving to Medical Store Road, that they have food there, that they are boggling palliative warehouses everywhere. And I called somebody very close to the government, because I want the government to set up a panel to investigate those that put food in that place. I called and said, no, how about not be food there, now medicine for 5 states, 9 days, and it's not only me. Check internet, you will see that other social media people, they were posting the same thing. I said, are you sure? He said, what are you saying now? And I now remember that during the heat of that COVID, when the governor was doing hospital tour, we followed him to UBTH, from UBTH to check the COVID treatment center, the facility. Please, if you are my fan, just be dropping your comment. I don't follow me, go follow the full market fight, I go win. May I tell you? And I remember that we followed governor there. After we left UBTH, we went to that Medical Store Road. That very day, let me even look, okay, this Medical Store Road, now here be the Mary Medical Store. That was the first day, because I don't live in medical. I said, okay, now here be the real medical store. And even though that place in a function. When we entered, I saw some buildings, nothing inside. Some door old. I saw some old equipment. Then they now showed the governor some of the drugs that they brought, that federal government brought, some from different pharmaceutical companies, COVID, their contribution to Edo State. And they said that was supposed to serve 5 states. The governor came to inspect. Let me tell you, God is my witness. I don't use I see Indomie. That was why they were able, that was why I believe them. I did not see rice. From there, we went to Testami Road. That was the official warehouse for palliative for Edo South. Edo North get their own palliative center. Edo Central get, because they share the 3 across the palliative centers across the 3 senatorial districts. This one say, stop lying. I owe you nothing. I owe you nothing. I am explaining to Edo people, and I am explaining to my supporters. They called me and they said, Albert, I told them I was driving. I said, when I park, I will the bomb. But I know I'm to take. Let me tell you. Then when we left Testami Road, they now created a day to start disbursing. I not enter medical store road once. I have only entered there once in my life that I follow governor go there. And if you just wait, you will see the video. You will see the video on when the governor went to inspect drugs there during the heat of COVID. So after that very day, they now started distributing food. I'm sure when I was even streaming distribution of palliative, many people, not so many, still they insult me, my enemies for social media. Abba, shut up. The food not reach here. Food not reach here. To the extent, I almost fight with the people when they do the palliative. I almost fight. So when people, they were even calling me, Abba, you the government now, food not reach our side. They were mounting serious pressure on me. Mad pressure. And if they tell me, I'll go tell them. The company I say maybe it get people when maybe I want me to carry palliative go give my family. So today when they called me, I said, are you sure? I said, okay, for soldier not to go enter problem or for many people not go die, let me just go there. I will stream the pharmaceutical this thing live and leave the scene. They now said the person will hold the key to open where the drugs they. You know that. I said, no, you can't tell me that. Look for the person. Make them bring key, come medical, make them come open them. So that people don't die out of ignorance. So that people don't start, people they enter from different communities, different areas. They want to carry food. I understand there is hunger in the land. I understand everything. I can't tell them, say, make sure they bring the food, come there. They bring the key, come there. So we went. On my way, I was streaming. It's only drugs that is there. Food not there. That's what they told me. That's what they told. I'm now calling the man now. He's not picking my call. I'm sure with time, when government set up panel, he will appear. When I got there, I streamed. Let me tell you, in midst of that crowd, 80% of the crowd, now my Edo people, when love me, when vote for Obazee, when they believe about Obazee, go watch the video. You'll see crafting balls, feed my shot. I was calming them down. As I calm them down, I could get where I reach. Soldier that come for everywhere. They will stop me. I say, may I identify myself? I say, I'm just here to prove to the people that there's no food here. The guy say, I can't say government house. He say, man, I say, where's the ID card? I don't have ID card. I'm just a supporter of this government. I don't have appointments. Then one man call and say, now our person. Me come move. I say, I can't see two people when I know. I say, how far? If you see crowd, I was like, for this crowd to be here, that means somebody must have gotten a very cogent information. And I asked three guys, they say, the last time I came here, now drugs they here, food they here. One say, bros, we know y'all know. They just call us, hey, food they here. I said, okay. I move again. I can't reach the gate. And I said, I want to. They said, no. Say, I don't feel pass. I can't understand. Okay, maybe some community people there, they want to protect the place. Maybe they don't burn out. Because many communities now are protecting government infrastructures because of vandals, because of people that are burning government properties. So I can't ask another person, say, come, the way this crowd is there here, you just say food not there here, so one of them call agree, one of them call them say, bros, food there. One say, bros, and this area day. They feel they put drugs for it. It gets on side where drugs day. It gets on side where food day. I said, are you serious? Food day here? He said, yeah. And I call one of the officials there. He said that they expect it. I said, come. We say food day. He said, no. The guy was even lying to me. I don't know the guy before. Let's say, no, I know the official. I said, if you have food there, this food, they will not go back. Oh, they are here already. Because they see bosses there. Oh, man, God, just help Nigeria. Help us remove hunger in our land. Because the way people were coming, you will not say they get information. The guy comes and say, bros, drugs they one side, food they one side. At that point, I give up. At that point, I give up. I can't tell my guy, say, come, if food day here, they should open the side where food day. May they carry, come out. These people don't go come out. It's food now. Is it not food? It's food, Abi. They say yes. If food, they open and they come out. And I told someone, I said, please, off my live video. I said, off my live video. Let me tell you, I will not join multitude. I will not join multitude to commit sin. Me, about Obazee, I will not join multitude to commit sin. I said, stop the video. And I told the guy, I told the officer, I said, officer, This people, they are very sure that there is food here. Officer, the officers even know. Say food day, because the way they call it the trap. I said, don't push them, oh, don't push them. I said, don't push them. Just tell them to open the side where food day. Let them carry the food. And I left the place. I deleted my video. Because, hey, let me tell you something. As people, as masses, they expect me to speak for them. As some government, they expect me to speak for them, because I am the same party with the government. But when I notice the lie, I stop. If not, you foresee me for there. When I foresee me, still the stream. And I saw some members of opposition. I said, well, this is not about opposition. As far as food day here and other states, they are busting their palliative. People must carry food. I left immediately. I left. And when I was not calling the man that told me that there is no food there, the man was no longer picking. So my dog people, about Obazee, let me tell you something. You people don't know me. Maybe with time, you people will know me. I first do one video say many people don't like me for government. You know why? Because of the truth when I talk. I know they make money from crisis. If you check my handles, I am not, my page is not monetized. Because of the politics when I put. So don't you say I they get views, I they make money. You don't ever watch my video for Facebook when you see adverts. It's not monetized. All I am doing is the safety of my people and a conviction. So I now come out now and say the person that lied, what I want government to do now is to investigate. From there, I went straight to Testami Road. My plan was to see if food there. I reached there, I met an empty warehouse. So I now called another person inside government. I said, "Oh, no, not say palliative don't they don't palliative day medical." So he said, "No palliative." I said, "No." I said, "Someone in conference said palliative day." That I never even bust. I said, "When I call them, when they open up that place, nobody go come out until they carry food. When they come there, use transport fare, come there." I said, "Make me use transport fare, take come there. They no go come out." When I got to Testami Road, I noticed that the government warehouse there, no food. And I told the guy, say, "Why are you locking it? Open it." So I mean, they not say no food. That's why I'm not sure. I don't know whether they go there, but they were very sure. So when I got there, so my people, what you like me for is what I am doing now. Is what I am doing now. I am telling you now, you like me, you don't like me, I don't care. This is opposition. I will not blame opposition, but for Abato, they know the truth because they were there. They were there when I was engaging the security men to say, "Hey, Oga, I guess you will use the tear gas, so don't shoot." These people, they are aware, they are convinced. They are convinced that there is food here. Another state, they are looting their warehouse, so not even ticker. So my people, I'm just here to let you know that the people that called me, you know, during the campaign, I am always there for the people. I am always there for the government, because I still say this government is good. Now I want to vote for them. Not with me. I deceive now to vote for Obazee. And let me just tell you the truth, my people. Government is big. There are people that the government will assign roles to. I did a video some days ago. I said many people, they see politics and government as opportunity to make money and amass sweat. So it's possible that somebody go put the food for there, maybe to collect money next time from government. It's possible, say maybe they reserve her for one particular flood victim. Or I'm not here to defend anybody. The people that should be speaking are people that the storekeepers there, because what they told me is that there is no food there. So my people, me, during that palliative, I almost get issue. This is what I say, how about you don't talk police? Yes, I see good comment. I see my people here. Yes. I see my people here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's like that. It's like that. Now you love. Now you love that your filter say no. You know, if you notice during the election, people were sending me messages. I don't like going into somebody's personal life. Even that Nelson Adenya, they said Nelson Adenya, oh, he want to rig election. They forwarded those information to me. I no use them. I know user. You know why? I take my time to investigate. But this very one, it was all about the people, because I was there before. I have been there. I visited the place there with the governor. Now the drugs I see, that was why they were able to lie to me, and I believed them. So when I got there, I said no level, and I move ahead. So my people, make una calm down. We all need to calm down. We all need to calm down. We all need to calm down. I've done a lot. My platform has done a lot, has saved lives. Anything that happens in this state now, opposition will always blow it out of proportion. I just heard now that some opposition leaders now are now calling police, calling army, that they have private warehouses in Edo. Now they now want police and army to help go secure their private warehouses. That's why when something is happening, you say, "No concern me, no concern me, no concern me." I'm over. The reason why I always try to prevent mayhem, prevent crisis, is because people, when they cause the crisis, not be the crisis they affect, not be them innocent souls that the thing they affect. So my adult people, please, I know that the government will take a position. The Obazee women know. I don't know about you, Obazee women don't know. I am very sure that the government don't know say food they. Me, I don't know. I wish I know. You're not gonna see me there. How? What you want to do for there? You won't see me there. Thank God the masses don't carry the food. I'm sure next time government will learn. Please, if you are in any government position, they give you things to share. Please share them. During the election, many of them when they cost me now, will come tomorrow. How about then they share something? I beg, you know they in charge. People were calling me. When it cost too much, I took my personal money to go buy palliative, go share for my area. People were calling. How you want to explain to them, say you did government, or you did close to government, or you not go in government, you don't feel bring food come for them. The average Nigerian man believes say about when they refuse to give me. That is why if these people will go, if the people they in charge not come out, I'm coming out to expose them. They should come out and tell the world what happened though. If not, I will come because they almost beat me for the wares. When they go and say people need food, don't let them share. No, how many councillors carry food wrong. No, don't forget councillors who carry food wrong. And then many of them not go meet opposition, go work for opposition. They not divert food. I carry my personal money to go buy food when I share from my area. So my people, if you hate me, you just they comment now, like you know. Like you just know. But my own is very simple. The three food warehouses when I know. The one in Edo North, which I send my boys to go video during palliative. The one in Edo Central, which I also send my boys to go video during palliative. And for Testami Road. I reached the one of Testami Road and I not see any food for there. I told them, open now, before people thought say they lock and maybe something inside. So my people, I will never deceive you. If distancing myself from this government, if this kind of thing happen again, say somebody give me false information about what's not there right, tell you, my people, read my lips, telling you, maybe I will quit politics. Mark to this date. Mark to this date. If anybody call me, I call somebody to investigate something. From here now, I'm going to stay CID. From here now, I'm going to stay CID. Stay CID. Let me they drive, they go now. Now somebody for abroad, stay come and say, see issues for stay CID. That's where I'm going now. My platform has grown very big, and I'll continue to use it to serve the good people of Edo State. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.
DJM TV.